CapCut No Internet Connection Problem Fix. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the most common problem faced by everyone in CapCut, that is the no connection problem. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly, you need to tap and hold on CapCut application and click on application info. Once you click on application info, you will be directed to the setting page of CapCut application. And there you need to clear the cache of it. By clicking on storage, you will see the option of clearing data. Click on clear data and then choose the option of clear cache. After clearing the cache, check for the permission that you have allowed for the application, as sometimes permission not allowed can hold the data to load in the application. And last but not the least, go to Play Store and search for CapCut and click on update if available. And that's all. That is how easily you can fix the problem of internet connection in CapCut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.